In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the shortcut icon that appears on some apps on your desktop. For example, on Google or some game apps that you have. So I'm going to show you today how to remove that icon that you see on the corner. So let's start off by typing in registry editor in your search bar. Click yes on the prompt. And then over here, you'll see this window. On the top, you'll see a path. Currently, we're just on computer. If we go to HKey classes root, see how the path changed. So all you have to do here is just select this and then paste in this path. I know you don't have it, but just take a minute to copy this path right here. And once you're done copying it, just hit enter, and then you're going to be on this Explorer folder. Right click on this Explorer folder and then click on select new key, and then this key right here, call it shell icons, just like that. Hit enter, and then make sure you're inside of shell icons. In this window, right click anywhere, new string value, and this string value, name it 29, and then hit enter. And now right click on it, modify binary data, or sorry, just modify. And then inside the value data field, you want to type in C colon backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash shell 32.dll, and here just type in a comma and then -50, just like that. So if you can't see it, I'm going to just zoom in. This is what it says. So yeah, once you have it, just click OK. And now what you want to do is just minimize registry editor. Go to your task manager. Make sure you're in the processes and find Windows Explorer. Once you found it, just right click and restart. Once you restart it, you'll see that all the shortcut icons here are actually gone, even the ones over here. So you could have also restarted your PC to make this change. And if you want to undo this and bring the shortcut icons back, then you can do this by going back to the registry editor, and then in this value 29 that we just created, just delete that value. So right click, delete, and that should undo the change. All you have to do now is go back to the task manager again and then find Windows Explorer again. If you don't see it, just type in Windows Explorer here, and there it is. So just right click and then restart again. And now let's close it, and the shortcut icons are back. So that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.